Hello, this is Wahid Tanner from Electronic Thinking, and in this video we have a simple circuit set up and we're measuring the current through a 10,000 ohm resistor. The battery pack is here connected to the circuit, so all the current is flowing through the 10,000 ohm resistor, and then we have the meter in series with the resistor, and with the meter set at the 2000 microamp scale, we're reading 672 microamps of current. Now, the way you can calculate that is with Ohm's law, and Ohm's law says that the current is going to be equal to the voltage divided by the resistance. So if we take, this is an older calculator, and if we take 6.5, we have 6.5 volts, and divide that by 10,000, we get an answer of 6.5 times 10 to the negative fourth power. Now, with a little practice, you can turn that into 650 microamps, but let me show you a better way. If you take a newer calculator, such as this one, and we're going to do the same thing, 6.5 divided by 10,000, we also get here 0.00065. Now, like I said, there is a better way. This is also quite difficult to read. You can, if you look at moving the decimal point over, you know that microamps is going to be millionths of an amp, so if you move this over 6 places, you'll get 650. But this particular calculator has a scientific and engineering function on it, and we get that by pressing the second and then going into this one. Right now it's set to FLO, which is for floating point, which is why it's giving us a reading of 0.00065. If we change this to scientific and press enter, we get the same answer that this older calculator gave us. It's now saying that the current through the resistor is 6.5 times 10 to the negative fourth. The better way is if you go to engineering and you move this to engineering. What engineering will do is it's kind of like scientific notation, but it makes sure that the powers that it gives you will line up with common powers such as milliamps or microamps or so on. So now if we hit enter on that one, it shows us the same answer, only now it's 650 times 10 to the negative 6 power. So 10 to the negative 6, that's micro. So this is saying that 6.5 volts divided by a 10,000 ohm resistor gives us 650 microamps of current.